If your fridge sounds like it's beatboxing, you're a homeowner in need of help. Imagine a world where your appliances never break down. More efficient, longer lasting, and stress-free. That's what our plan offers. Homeowners insurance covers disasters, but not everyday wear and tear. And home warranties? They only fix things after they break. With our plan, you pay $0 for service or diagnostic fees. We catch issues before they become problems. Think of it like regular oil changes for your car. But for your home, our team ensures all your appliances run like a well-oiled machine. From dryer vents to fridge filters, we've got it covered. Here's why you should care. Save big on replacements. Lower energy bills. No more surprise breakdowns. Scheduled maintenance. Zero hassle. Keep your home safe and sound. Ready to transform your home? Join our proactive appliance care plan today and enjoy top-notch maintenance for less than $2.20 a day. Contact us now and experience the difference.